Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, if you are fascinated by Bangaluru's evolving metro network, as I am, then you are going to enjoy this video. So, today we are taking a close look at the elevated section of the pink line of the Nama Metro. So, this particular elevated section, this stretch is between Kalanagar and Tawarkere, as you know, which is also called as Banerghatta Road Corridor. So we'll review in this video like what's complete, what remains to be done, and the timeline that have been announced so far by BMRCL and what this means for commuters. So let's dive in. Talking about the project overview, so first a little bit of context. So this particular pink line, right? So officially the north-south corridor from Kalanagar in the south to Nagwara in the north. So this is the part of phase 2 of the Nama Metro expansion. Okay. So in particular, the elevated portion between Kalanagar and Tawarkere is about 7.5 kilometers in length, and this elevated stretch includes six stations. So those are like Kalanagar, so that is the start point. Huli Mabu, I am Bangalore, JP Nagar fourth phase, Jaydeva, and Tawarkere. So till this Tower Kere, there is this is an elevated section, and beyond that, northern section is an underground section that is of about like 13.7 to 14 kilometer, which is starting from Dairy Circle to Nagwara, which will be a tunnel heavy region. But in this particular video, we will be showing you the construction status of this elevated section, which is starting from Kale Nagar Hara to Tawarkere. So as we progress through the video, you will notice several things the concrete viaduct is mostly in place, piers and spans appear complete, okay, and the station structures are also mostly visible, and the guideway is largely formed. However, despite the visible progress, the project has experienced multiple delays. According to a recent article, the elevated section that was originally scheduled to open in December 2024 is now expected to open only by May 2026, and that also might get delayed. So as of now, I'm expecting this will be operational by end of 2026. And the other paths suggest the full pink line will open in two phases by 2026, with the elevated segment first and the tunnel section later till Nagwara. So the underground stretch is reported to be the longest metro tunnel section in Bangalore, that is around 13.76 kilometer, and has been cited as a major cause of delay. So in this footage, you may see new concrete launch girders, station cell construction, access stairs, escalator shafts, but also areas that are still bare and undergoing finishing work. So, for example, signaling, electrification, third rail station fit out, etc. So, these are the ongoing things which are still happening on this now pink line. This means yes, the elevated structure is largely standing but not yet ready for passengers. So what does all of this mean for commuters along South Bangalore, especially Banerghatta road and surrounding areas? So once operational, the elevated section will connect key nodes including Ulimabu, IM Bangalore, JP Nagar, Jaydeva, thus improving this connectivity in the south corridor and interchanging with other lines. So for now, commuters will likely continue to rely on buses, autos, and personal vehicles until the line opens. So this delay to 2026 means another around 10 to 12 months before the stretch is publicly ready. Just building the cell is only half of it. The station finishes, escalators, lifts, platform edges, doors, and there are other many amenities that needs to be constructed, and those things are required. For example, staff rooms, parking, and everything. Roadworks and construction zones remain in place. So the caution is required if driving or walking in the corridor, whichever I'm showing you currently in the video. So once these things are integrated, this will reduce travel time and reduce load on traffic, and that will yield a real benefit to the commuters. After this elevated section is operational, right? So the next milestone will be, of course, the underground stretch of the pink line. So which will be starting from Dairy Circle to Nagwara, which is slated for completion later by 2026 end. So I'm expecting by end of 2026 the construction will be completed, but for the complete operation, let's see, but we can hope that by 2026 this full stretch will be operational. So this when the this full line opens, commuters will benefit from a seamless north south access covering major hubs in Bangalore. And also for planners and city watchers, the pink line is very critical part of the overall metro ecosystem in Bangalore, because this particular pink line, so this links to the yellow, blue, and purple, and adding capacity to reduce road congestions. And this will be a game changer once this pink line, this complete stretch till Nagwara is once operational. So thanks for joining me on this closer look at the construction progress of the Nama Metro Pink Line's elevated section. So if you found this useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more infrastructure and transit updates in Bangalore, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future coverage. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. Take care.